Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to close all open app on Android, and this one is a very easy and quick tutorial. So in order for you to see like this, all you have to do is to click this icon on your Android device and you will see here all of the applications that are running at the very moment. So probably you can see here all the applications that you're currently using. And the major cause for a battery life drainer is background running applications. So if you want to close all of this, you just have to click this close all and it will close the applications, all the application here that are running. Now, if you want to just simply close it one by one, like for example, you just want to close three applications or more, but you don't want to close it all, then you can simply swipe it to the right and then it will close the application like this. Now, if you want to stop this application on running, or if you want to uninstall this application, or if you want to force this to stop, all you have to do is to select that application. You can long press the application if you want. And if you see app information or eye icon, all you have to do is to click that one. So let me show you. For example, this application right here. I'm going to long press this and then tap app info. And then after that, click this force stop or uninstall. As easy as that. And that's how you simply close all your applications and to stop this unwanted running application to drain your battery life. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.